Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Okay, we were discussing geometry 3D shapes exercise 2.1 Cambridge Mathematics grade 2. So all the solutions are in front of you. You can see and go through this. The all answers are written here and these are very easy. If you have any problem you can ask to me. All page numbers, answers are here. Just go through these answers and write in your book. If you have any questions, just you can write, then I will explain each and everything in a very detail. But right now I am not telling anything in a detail because as you know that we have to start our another mathematics book for the grade 3 because I am getting a lot of query regarding the grade 3 mathematics. So that's why I am just giving the answers, providing answers of this book, so that you don't feel any problem while you're getting any homework or you are a teacher, then you are solving in a class. So I think this is the best way. You can just go through this, and if you have any question then you can write me. I will explain to you. Apart from this, if you want me to explain each and everything, then I will explain each and everything as well in a very detail. All these things are written here, answers are written here. This is for your easy, to make the mathematics journey easy. That's why I am making mathematics lessons for you mostly. Or if you are feeling any problem in other subjects as well, so you can write me so that I will explain other subjects as well to you. So these all things are written in front of you. Even the page numbers are also mentioned, so don't need to be worried. Now this is a page number 38. Complete solution is in front of you. Just write, go through this page and write the answers. Now we are discussing 2.2 shapes and symmetry. This is page number 39. What is symmetry? If any shape can be divided into two equal parts, it's called the symmetry. Now we will go through the examples of symmetry. In the page number 42 there are a lot of examples of symmetry. So here we have put the numbers 1 2 3 4. In another line I have also put 1 in front of half shape of star. So in this way we will do all pages. This is the symmetry. Half face is here given to us and half page we have to draw by ourselves. So this is called the symmetry. Now this is the fractions and shapes. What is the fractions and shapes? This is exercise 2.3 page number 44. Fraction means if we can divide any shape into two equal halves or four equal quarters. If we are dividing in two parts any shape, this is called halves, and if we are dividing any shape into four parts, it is called quarter. Anything can be divided into two parts and the four parts. If we are dividing in four parts, this is called quarter fraction, right? This is, you can see in this picture, the picture is divided into two halves, so this is called half fraction. All right, now this is written 1 upon 2. It means we can divide in two parts any pictures in two parts, so this is called half fraction. All right, now the page number I will mention on it. Second thing is